can't remember what was on this one.
I'm so excited!
That's my bloody favourite song. What's on this one? Holy shit, that's horrible. Put 'em on there. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to go and I think I like it. Yeehaw. All I managed to do was make a mini compact disc. That even cuts better than my cardboard disc. Check this video out as well. So next time when you throw away an old CD, give it to the plumber next door. See you next time.